Now, I know we love buying iced coffee from our favorite cafes, right? Now, if you want to know how you can also make it at home and save your money every time you crave for it, then continue watching. In today's video, I'll share to you the secret to the perfect iced coffee that you can do at home. If you're new here in my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of my upcoming videos. So today, I'll teach you how to make milk cream. So the secret behind every perfect iced coffee is actually milk cream, and you can make your own milk cream at home. So in the first place, what is milk cream? So milk cream is a sweetener and a creamer in one, and they best fit with iced coffee no matter what kind of flavor, sauce, or syrups that you would add to it. Also, it can also work with hot coffee. Now, there are actually various ways in making milk cream. There are even other terms for the milk cream. But for me, this is the simplest way possible. And I think you even have that now in your kitchen. Or perhaps you can just go to your nearest grocery to buy them. By the way, watch until the end of the video because I'll also be sharing how you can make a foamy milk cream so that you could really enjoy your iced coffee at home as if it came from a cafe. So here are the things that we will be needing. Fresh milk or any type of milk that you would want to use for your coffee, may that be oat milk, almond milk, whatsoever. Then we would also need creme densada. These are available in Philippine groceries, but if you don't have creme densada in your own grocery, you can use condensed milk and any type of cream. And then lastly, we would also need a container to store our milk cream. Container that has a cover. So there you go. We only have two major ingredients here, which are your fresh milk and your creme densada. So basically, you would just be mixing the two. However, the standard ratio would be 1:1.5. That would mean 1 part of creme densada is to 1.5 parts of your fresh milk. However, you could also adjust. Depends on your preference on the sweetness. So if you want it to be more sweet, then you can have 1:1. Or if you can have it less sweeter, then you can have 1:2 or 1:2.5. So in this video, I will be using the standard ratio for creme densada is to milk. That would be 1:1.5. So with this creme densada, this is 410 ml per 1 can. So I will add 1.5 times the fresh milk. That would be around 615 ml of fresh milk that I would be mixing with this 410 ml of creme densada. So how can you use now the milk cream? Now you can actually make or use the milk cream as a complete substitute for your fresh milk when you make iced coffee. Or if you prefer a less sweeter coffee, then you can just use it as an added sweetener or a creamer on top of your coffee, just like this. So if you want a foamy milk cream or any foamy milk, you can actually use your French press at home. French press is somewhat already a kitchen staple in every Filipino home. So you don't actually need any type of machine for you to have a foamy milk for your coffee. So just fill in half of the French press and then pump continuously, and you'll be able to create that frothy milk or even a frothy milk cream for your coffee at home. So that's it. That's how you can make milk cream and be able to make a real good iced coffee at home. If you'll be able to make your own coffee creations, make sure to tag me in my social media channels, especially in Instagram. Let me see your coffee creation using the milk cream. Share this video to help me reach more people. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!